Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing very well. In this video, you can see I didn't enter this trade, but I put the trade box down. Basically, it was the weekend. We had this trend line, and then we broke out of it, and then we formed another trend line, closing multiple candles outside of this trend line. And this happened the other week as well. I literally experienced this the other week. Anyway, we broke the trend line, and then we were around here, entered long. Well, I didn't enter long. Stop loss at the lows and 1 to 3 hit again. Look at that, perfect. So this is just a simple 5-minute weekend trend line breakout strategy. Literally see the trend line, wait for the breakout, bit of Fibonacci in there, double bottom at the golden zone, get the push up, come claim the high, targeting 3 RR. You can see that's exactly what happened, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned something here. Probably not because it was such a short video, but yeah, just a quick one, guys.